Everyone wants money to satisfy their desires in today's competitive and expensive world, and everyone has their causes for making money. For example, most students require money to enjoy their student life, whereas grown-ups require money to support the complete family. Making money in today's world is not difficult if you have the confidence to think differently and the enthusiasm to complete your tasks with complete dedication. Today, we'll talk about how to make money online without investment in 2022. So let's take a look. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Become a video editor. Many people make beautiful videos and share them on social media networks, and other people turn their pastimes into a full-time business. Video editing is not as difficult as it appears. To make and edit videos, you may utilize a lot of basic and simple software. Many business owners look for video creators to help them promote their company. To generate and edit videos, there are a variety of software tools available on the market. You can select any of them based on your abilities. Even smartphone applications are getting increasingly intelligent in their ability to create attractive films. You may also study video editing on YouTube and use a variety of free editing tools available on the internet to do this task. Print-on-demand business. A print-on-demand firm offers books or other media such as CDs or DVDs without stocking the goods. These companies function as publishers, creating things only when a consumer requests them. This helps these businesses to avoid the initial expenditures of stock storage and warehouses, which may be rather costly. This is a specialized business. Because POD firms are often huge, consider what niche publishing companies can do for you. Over the last 3 to 4 years, the average monthly print-on-demand profits has fluctuated from $9,000 to $15,000. So, if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scam, you've undoubtedly discovered that isn't it. Do translation work. If you need to generate money right away, translation work is a relatively underdeveloped market. To perform this successfully, you must be skilled in at least 2 languages. So if you're multilingual or studied a popular language in school, this may be a terrific money-making opportunity for you to pursue. You will be required to confirm your competence to translate. If you have a language certificate or experience translating and writing, be sure to include evidence of your work in your portfolio. A translation exam will be required by the majority of companies. Keep in mind that you must be proficient in the languages for which you are applying to be a translator. As a result, you are unable to utilize translation tools. Become a virtual assistant. By being a virtual assistant, you may earn a lot of money while working from home for a few hours a day. The benefit of this profession is that it can be done from home on a freelance basis. Some contracts last a day, while others might last weeks or months. Virtual assistants must have great administrative abilities, be very organized, and operate in a variety of intriguing sectors, such as blogging and social networking. A virtual assistant may aid a company with a variety of duties. Some businesses use a virtual assistant to manage emails, customer support online, calendar updates, meetings, blog updates, and social media profiles on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Pinterest. Become a film and TV reviewer. It's not the same as just watching video content. If you want to make a profession by viewing videos, being a film or television reviewer is perhaps the finest and most established method to do so. It's not simple to write about videos a full-time profession, but with hard work, dedication, and a good command of the written word, you can accomplish it. Film and television criticism is very competitive fields, so if you want to write for a living, you should start by charging lesser fees to reflect your degree of experience. But keep in mind that you deserve to be compensated for your efforts, so don't take payments that are less than you believe are appropriate. But keep it in mind that you deserve to be compensated for your efforts, so don't settle for less than you believe is fair simply because you're starting. Internships are a good way to prepare for a full-time career as a film or television critic. Unfortunately, not all journalistic internships pay well, but PressPad can help with housing in London during internship placements. Once you've established a reputation and a portfolio of reviews, you may progressively raise your prices and accept larger fees. Become an influencer. Get paid to make social media posts. Yes, it has been discovered that social media may be useful. If you have a sizable following on social media sites such as Facebook and Instagram, or even on your blog, you might think about becoming an influencer. You may become a go-to resource for businesses looking to gain greater visibility on the internet, whether it's fashion, cookery, or home decor. Simply contact the businesses you'd admire and express your desire to collaborate. Check out ShareASale and Amazon Associates if you're interested in affiliate marketing and sponsored content. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below, and if you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.